Flight BA4102 for Glasgow is ready for boarding.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Wandering Nancy. I'll be sharing my recent experiences, hotels I've stayed at, food I've tasted, various encounters, and random thoughts. Welcome to join me in Wandering the World. Hi everyone, today I'm staying at an autograph collection hotel in Jakarta, Indonesia, Sari Pacific Jakarta. If you are coming from the airport by taxi, the ride takes about an hour and costs around 20 Australian dollars one way. There's a strong security presence at the hotel entrance. Every vehicle is checked. That's quite common here as some hotels in Jakarta have experienced terrorist attacks in the past, so security check is taken seriously. The lobby is pretty grand and check-in was smooth overall. After checking in, I headed to the lounge to grab 2 bottles of cold water. Jakarta is really hot. The elevator takes you straight up to the lounge, very convenient. Now that I've got my water, let's go check out the room. The room has been recently renovated, but you can still spot quite a few imperfections. According to the official site, it's about 30 square meters, and yes, the space does feel decent. The wardrobe door design is flawed, it's not easy to open, and you have to fully slide it open to access the shelves. That said, they give me 10 hangers, which is generous. The slippers, paper thin, seriously. But this mirror, I love it, floor to ceiling, very good. The bathroom has plenty of features. Toilet, shower and sink are all TOTO brand, though the flush button is oddly placed on the countertop, which feels kind of weird. There's a little ledge to place your phone, I like that. And yes, you can see straight into the bedroom from the shower. Interesting design choice. Let's check the minibar. It's quite basic, but it has coffee and tea. The fridge is empty and honestly pretty dirty. The street view from the window is actually quite nice. I ordered in-room dining, chicken satay. Jakarta's prices are amazing. This whole meal cost just about 7 Australian dollars, and even with a 20% service charge, it came at only 10 Australian dollars. Just noticed the toilet is kind of unique, you'll see what I mean. Good morning, Jakarta. Breakfast here is pretty diverse. Though this is my first time seeing black apple juice. Have you ever seen that before? Alright, that's it for today. Goodbye, Jakarta.